Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today is my first day of college. Yeah. I'm a sophomore at Arizona State and today is our first day of school. It's August 22nd. It's a Thursday. I don't have classes for a while. It's 10:19 a.m. I have classes at, I should actually check. My hands are orange. Sorry. 1:30 is my first class. So I don't really have classes for a while. I do have one online class that I may get started on. I also do have some work things that I need to do. I'll show you my outfit. Okay, so if you guys don't know, sororities do this thing at my school called promo week. So the week before recruitment, we wear like shirts that say our sorority on them and we all like wear the same ones. So we all get like brand new shirts and stuff. It's just a way to like promote our sorority and like fun. School actually started really late this year. It started like a whole week later, so we only have 2 days of promo week. Personally, I only have 1 day because I don't have classes on Friday. So this is the shirt that we're wearing today. This, I really thought it was like Buffalo Wild Wings or like Wingstop, but apparently it's Harley Davidson. But I'm an Alpha Chi Omega, so that's the shirt. It's like a fitted black tee. I normally don't wear fitted tees, so like this is something different. I also wore my bra that makes my boobs look huge. Well, not huge, but it makes it look like there's some roundness. Yeah. Is there a smudge on my... Is there a smudge? And then these are from American Eagle. Don't know what shoes I want to wear yet. That's the outfit that I'm wearing today. I still have dry shampoo in my hair that I need to rub. I need to make my bed. Normally I'm not like a bed making person, but I'm trying to be a good roommate. If you guys don't know, I live in my sorority house and yesterday and today we have house tour. So the people that are rushing are like viewing all the houses and everything. So we weren't allowed to be in the houses. So I'm getting kicked out of my house from like 4 to 9 p.m. today. I also am not allowed to cook food in the kitchen because we don't want it to get messy and we don't want it to smell gross in the house. But I saw people making avocado toast yesterday. So hopefully I can do that. I'm really hungry. I was thinking of making some avocado toast and then working on my bio because I have my bio classes online. My first class today is it's statistics. I'm like not even in the right frame of mind to be in school right now. I'm like all over the place. I have statistics today. I only have 1 class, so that's really nice. Excited about that. I have my slippers and my hydro. Now we're gonna go downstairs. Oh, woo. I forgot my phone. There we are. Now we go back downstairs. I'm so tired now. I'm making avocado toast. Somebody thought it was funny to change my like locker combination, so now it won't unlock. And we used the master key to get it open, but now it won't unlock, and now I don't know, you know? Wait, were those not mine? Those weren't mine. Oops. I'm so sorry if anyone... Oh, there's a frat boy that just walked by the window. Get those angles. I'm only using reusable stuff because we're not allowed to use dishes right now, so please don't come for me. I'm begging you. Ew. Still eating it. Audra, what's that? Did I tell you that a P&M changed my locker combination? What? Yeah, how rude. Very upset. I didn't have my avocado toast because I bought all my food on Sunday and somehow it's already moldy. How? Not sure. But I'm just doing some work things right now. It's my computer right here. Yeah. I'm really hungry. Oh gosh, you're gonna fall. Right now I'm just gonna write down all my due dates for my classes in my planner. Work.
I think I kissed my friend last night. I don't remember though.
Can I please put that on the internet?
I feel like with a good filter the lighting doesn't.
You know where like Cassie took her picture at?
Yeah.
Like that's yeah, like the MU and then like the little stairs you walk up. Yeah. And like we should go up there and like have it like we'll be above and like sorry, I'm so scared.
Does anybody oh gosh, not at angle. Just got back from my class. I only had 1 today. Ooh, there's a black piece of hair in my, I don't even have black hair. I don't know where these come from. Just got back from my class. I had statistics. The professor, it just seems hard. He's very monotone. It just doesn't seem like it's gonna be an easy class. Picked up 2 packages. We do an unboxing. My friends and I decided, wait, let me get scissors. That since we're being kicked out of our house for the rest of the night, I literally have to leave in like less than an hour. It's 3:09. We have to be gone by 4 or a little before 4. We're just gonna go to one of my sorority sisters' like parents' houses and we're just gonna like get food and watch a movie and just hang out. Ooh, Okay, this, I got pepper spray to be safe because there are reports of girls who a guy inappropriately tried to grab and touch in the parking garage that I park in. So I got pepper spray so I can feel safer. Cute. Okay, how do you just, then you spray. Cool. Should we read instructions? Oh, I just showed you my address. I also ordered 2 packages of pasties, but I ordered these before I realized that pasties have been not peeling, but like burning my skin. So now my skin on my boob is like red and irritated and burnt because the pasties have been like destroying them. But I got 2 packs of little pasties. That's my haul. That's my update. I'm sweating. I don't know why Arizona allows it to be 109 degrees right now. Ugh, that's gross. I don't know. I just really want food. Postino's sounds amazing right now. I'm trying to think of what other updates besides, should I put the pepper spray on my keychain? Probably should do that. I have a song stuck in my head. Also realized that I really should start bringing, what's it called? You know, the thing, sunglasses to class because it's really sunny and everyone does it. And yeah, I'm just talking for no reason. I have a lot of stuff I need to do today, actually. Yeah, maybe I'll bring my computer and ask if I can like work on stuff while we watch a movie at my sorority sister's house. You guys have been seeing my address this whole time. And oop, I got so much makeup on this. Do you see how much makeup I got on that? Oh yeah, you can see it. Hello. Do you want to say hi on my video? Hi. Did you get Dutch?
Yeah, I did. I just walked. It's so hot outside.
It's freaking hot. Tour soon, so it's like super duper clean. It's on my phone because my iPhone's upstairs, or my camera's upstairs. I got some food. I decided that I'm too lame to go anywhere, so I'm just gonna hide in my room and read my syllabus. All the B&Ms are in the house and we're eavesdropping. Is Amber gonna get mad at us? I'm posting this on the internet. We're on the 3rd floor. She can't get mad at us. We're technically on the 4th now. I want to stalk these girls on Facebook because everyone had the swoop bangs and the bump it. Oh, the bump it. The bump it was such a trend. They loved some volume. I think they're all gone. Bye, B&Ms. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day. I look so pale. A little update about basically what I did. I just did like syllabus quizzes and wrote in my calendar and planner, and then my friends and I decided to go to the store and we bought like ice cream, cookie dough, wings, mashed potato. Like we bought a lot of stuff and we were on like 0 drugs, had 0 alcohol in our system, completely sober. We were just hungry and we ate so much food. Yeah, we ate the entire grocery store. Every single thing that we saw, we were like, that looks so good. Buy that. And then we were gonna watch Bachelor in Paradise, but none of us could log into a Hulu account because we're stupid. So then we watched The Office, and then we ended up talking until like 2:30 a.m. I am exhausted. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was a really fun day for me, so I hope that you guys liked watching it. I'm doing weekly vlogs for college, and yeah, sorority recruitment starts tomorrow, so get excited for those videos if you are interested in those videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.